Satan.
10-4, is there any 5 patient unit that is still on grade for assignment?
That's a recorded alarm, Jake.
10-4, this must be a backup for recording. Continue to respond, Ken.
AG Satan.
56 at this time. 9 Henry, Ken.
9 Henry, 190 from Bellevue again.
Henry 10-4, a first lock in the
That's a recorded alarm, Jake.
10-4, this must be a backup for recording. Continue to respond, Ken.
AG Satan.
10-4, is there any 5 patient unit that is still on grade for assignment?
You are new here, and we don't expect you to believe us when we tell you how bad it is. It is a flat, scary jungle, thick with scrub trees and tall grass, hot and wet in intermittent rain and strong tropical dragonflies and Viet Cong sniper bullets. You are a long, long way from Fort Riley now, and there is no JC Cafe in town on Washington Street where you can sit around the counter eating hamburgers and sipping coffee without having to be afraid a bomb might go off, like it did at that restaurant in Saigon a few weeks back. You can get killed here. Get out while you are still alive and before it's too late.
In Vietnam, American B-52 bombers have struck twice near Saigon, and U.S. planes have flown 102 more missions over the north. There was almost no ground fighting, but more communist terrorism. A grenade thrown at a jeep near Saigon injured 5 Americans, none seriously, and a guerrilla attack in the Mekong Delta killed a South Vietnamese woman and 6 children.
How are you, G.I. Joe? It seems to me that most of you are poorly informed about the going of the war, to say nothing about a correct explanation of your presence over here. Nothing is more confused than to be ordered into a war to die or to be maimed for life without the faintest idea of what's going on. Isn't it clear that the war makers are gambling with your lives while pocketing huge profits?